All right, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is an educational channel, and we look into great theories and concepts and discoveries that you might not know anything about because they have been suppressed. And um, this is a segment that is called Your Blind Side, and this is for the patriots, diggers, anons, truthers out there, conspiracy theorists, um, who are involved in their digging in their rabbit holes and may not be able to um, sense some of the greater trends and things out there that they might not have their back protected. Um, and so this is kind of a heads up for those people. And in particular, today Uh, we talked about, I think last time, a little bit about, um, you know, going back further and red pilling yourself further, not just the kind of cosmetic, superficial red pilling of the 20th and 21st century events, but going deeper into your emotional, um, the conditionings that you picked up earlier in life when you were just a youngster, and uh, these have to do with your cultural and your civilizational and your religious um, belief systems and emotions, and these are um, needed at this point because we're about to defeat the globalists, but uh, that's going to be an empty victory if we don't have a plan of action for implementation and just in general for um, moving forward. Uh, you know, other people uh, will be able to easily criticize uh, what we're trying to implement if these things haven't been scrutinized and red pilled, more or less. And I think one example of that is the civilizational things. There's a lot of patriots out there that are reflexively um, touting Western civilization. That, oh, yeah, well, you know, um, they look at maybe the immigrant crisis or what's going on in Europe, and you know, we've got to protect Western values, and um, this is, in my mind, uh, nonsensical. And the Western civilization, probably like most civilizations, is uh, a cabal thing. It was, you know, part. That's where we got all Western civilization got all their technological advancement from. Is we, had it given to us by these same Illuminati, Anunnaki um, people that we are uh, now calling the globalists. Um, and you know, sometimes you selectively understand that. If you look at Western medicine, generally we've figured out that, okay, Western medicine is not all it's cracked up to be. Um, what's going on with this alternative medicine? Maybe I can look into that. Maybe that has got some uh, some solutions when I haven't gotten any results from Western medicine, or I've gotten a lot of negative results. And I think that the patriot movement is very open to uh, alternative medicine as opposed to Western medicine. Western medicine was really like a Rockefeller thing. You know, uh, Rockefeller wanted to utilize a lot of his petroleum byproducts for his oil business, and um, also to control the curriculum and pedagogy in medical schools. And so this fits in very well with that. Um, and it's, you know, uh, you pump up all the advertising and the, um, you know, propaganda for these schools, and makes it seem like there really isn't a choice. It's way superior to everything else. But the Patriots have mainly seen through this. Not all, but mainly seen through um, this kind of smokescreen that the Western medicine is holding up. But for some reason, have not applied that same type of um, scrutiny to other Western things. I see them uh, reflexively defending Western values and Western civilization, um, where it's used in the exact same way, like the Age of Exploration and Columbus Day. Um, this is pure globalism, um, and it's not to be celebrated. Especially just reflexively, like, oh, well, this is how we used to do it before they had the revisionist school of history to, pump up the noble savage, or the non-Western people, and make them seem like they are the victims. Um, you know, it's not about that. It's about look at his diary, and look at what he was trying to do. Um, and It's pure global cabal uh, type of thing. So uh, these are inconsistencies within the movement that are going to be fatal to the movement if we don't kind of check them. There are other aspects of Western civilization and culture, religion in particular, um, and diet, and um, um, even just simple concepts like uh, entertainment and um, cultural capital. Uh, I think a lot of times the patriots are proud of themselves for being utterly ignorant of non-Western culture. They laugh and even tout the fact that they don't know how to pronounce these names, or that they don't have never heard of any of this whatever non-Western stuff. And whatever, it's fine if you don't know it, but it's not something to be proud of. It's never something to be proud of, being ignorant of something. Um, if you are ignorant of it, just, okay, I don't know this, but I'm willing to learn. But just to pump up your chest because you don't know something is that's just your insecurity. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. Like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and we will return tomorrow for another episode. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to watch your blind side.